In this video, I'm going to show you how you create a mesh file in Navisworks or use it in Navisworks and create it in ReCap Pro. This is a point cloud, so we're going to use a point cloud. You have an A75 or a ReCap file, you can RCP file you can use in your as a point cloud to deliver. So this file we're going to use in ReCap, or the surveyor delivers RCP file which we can use directly in ReCap. In ReCap, we're going to create a mesh, then we're going to classify it and use it in Revit or in Navisworks. So first, we go to ReCap Pro. I already opened a file, but we can you can open it and then select one, reset. So this is a point cloud I received. It's from a building where we have some technical installations in it. Um, if you use the middle mouse wheel and you push on it, you can pan, or you push shift and the middle mouse wheel, you can rotate. What we want to do is create a mesh of this. So what I want to do first is say here limit box. If you're new to ReCap Pro, first of all, you have here the different functionalities in the home button. Then you have the display settings where you can choose your colors, normal, scan location, classification, none. So you're going to see later on that if we use classification, that it's over there. We can the light slide, double shader models, Lambert or Pong, nothing happened, default, transparent or none. Then we have point display. You can, this is a point cloud, so you have a point display. I put it on 5. Reset origin, we're not going to use it. Annotations, perspective or not. Tools, so you have a fence. If your fence is on the grid, I want to say, you can close it. Then you have navigation tips. I'm also setting that off. Navigation on the left side here. And then also the view cube on the right and the real view. The welcome screen, it's a solid. Oh. And what we're going to do next is actually say, okay, I'm going to put it back to RGB. I want to have a specific part. So I'm going to edit here, limit box, edit, and I'm going to see inside of the model. So I think this is a good view, like this. So what I want to do next is actually create a mesh file from the parts that are in the room. So confirm. And now you have here the possibility to go to ReCap, scan to mesh, and then local. You can also process it in the cloud, or you can say, I want to process it local. I'm now going to process it local, and I want to save the project before I start. You have your technical room. It's made with a terrestrial laser scanner. So here you can say which type of laser scanner you're using. I'm not going to use high, but medium. If you say high, the mass density is very high. Um, or no, we're going to use high and submit. Now, in the background, ReCap is creating a mesh file. In the next video, I show you, after we created the mesh file, how we're going to use the classification system.